Hello, YouTube. Welcome to my PS5 covers unboxing for the blue, pink, and purple covers. So we'll do what we did with the black and red and do one each. Let me just place this down here. We'll start with purple. They come inside a box, a second box. Let me pull out one from each. Probably not that one. Probably just that one. Purple. A purple case. It looks actually purple. Neat. We've got two more to do. Next, the brown is pink. Or galactic pink or whatever it is. I forget what the actual color name is. Nova pink, galactic pink, no, it's galactic purple, Nova pink, and starlight blue apparently. Right. Well, I'll take it. Here's pink. Ready? There's pink. There's pink, everyone. See it? Nice pink. Not that I'm ever going to actually use them. These covers. Because I like my red and black console. And now finally, blue. Now finally, blue. Can you see the blue? Yeah. Why do these have to be so hard to get out? There we go. And now, the piece de la resistance. Of a final piece. It's upside down. The Ps5 Blue controller cover. Starlight Blue cover. It actually looks really nice. So that's the pink, so that's the purple. I actually love these colors. Let me put this one back in its cover. Little slipcase. So yeah, overall, they were really good colors. Well, okay everyone, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.